Hello there, and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Zee5 on Android TV. So how we do is go to apps, go to Google. On the search bar, we'll type in Zee5. So we're looking for the Zee5 app. So Zee5 app, there we go. Now you find the app right here. The link will play.google.com. You click on it to get in, and you find the install button. So if you click on that, this app will be installed. All you need to do is sit back, relax, wait for the installation to complete. It should take a couple of seconds to maybe a minute to download depending on internet speed, and when it's done downloading, all you need to do is to launch the app on the app library, or you click open on the screen. The installation process is actually automatic right here, so you just install immediately it's done downloading, and you'll be able to access this application and use it. So Zee5 movies, web series, shows, all that good stuff. Now depending on internet speed, this may take you a bit longer. It's up to 32 megabytes, but if your internet speed is fast, just under a minute you should be done. And when you're done, like in my case, you see me hit 100% right now, and now it's going to install automatically. So just be patient for the installation process to complete, and when it's done, just click on the open button to open the app, or you could go back to app library and access the app from there. Click on it to launch, and you'll be in the Zee5 movies app. So if you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.